house?
Yes, no. We have one room here.
Okay. I love the house. I love it. Wow.
There's another one here. I don't know which one you prefer.
Okay.
We have neighbor.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Neighbor.
Hey.
We have new tenant too.
Finito. I can't know say na so your life go reach. Say you see your life. When I tell you say you dey with me, you can't run leave me, follow one kind rich girl.
You know
na how far na e be.
And my former ex-girlfriend.
Na God na go punish that your man. Former ex-girlfriend. Me date you. See, and I use, now even use, I use and finish, I dump am. See where you go see yourself today. Now see, make I tell you one thing. If I buy this house finish,
You want buy this house?
Now say I no go let you
sell,
go. I go
please.
throw you people for
Please,
street
don't sell
where you
this house,
belong.
please.
Hey, Alpha, please
sell
don't
this house.
let's do our transaction so that I can leave here.
Oh yeah, how are you selling it now?
I'm selling it now.
Transfer. Let me go and see the document.